And today we have Candy Making 101. Now, okay, so we're going to make this candy. We got this on clearance at Walmart for $3. So, let's get making some candy. So first, I'm going to open it. Now, I'm going to go get my safety scissors for this.
So, I hope you all like the video. So, if there's a lot of candy you can have. So, if you want to eat a lot of candy tonight, just watch our YouTube channel. And if you want to make one like this, just watch our YouTube channel also. And then you will know.
This says, it's okay to act like a kid with this candy kit. It's everything you need to learn how to make your own sweet cupcake, toppers, brightly colored candy, bark or candy bars bursting with sprinkles. No matter how you color it, melt it, mold it, candy has never been cooler. Visit www.wilton.com/
I don't know. Alright. Everyone, I hope.
Now let's cut it.
Please don't be mean. Please just be
Okay,
please.
so when you're cutting it, be very careful. Get your parents to cut it if you don't have safety scissors, and make sure your parents watch you or help you when you're doing this, if you get it.
Right, now she's going to open it. What? She's going to take the tape off with it? I don't know the tape on. Because it's just so clear.
Oh, no.
I have not.
Now will you help? How do I open this? Ow. Okay, stop. I got it.
Ow.
I got it.
It really hurt. Ask your mom to do this or your dad to do this.
Oh, I got it. Finally. All right, we got it. We got a candy mold, some chocolate.
Yummy.
Let's see, what else?
With Jack on chocolate.
3 candy bags, a pink, and a blue candy coloring.
I'm going to stick the blue sugar and hit the
Sprinkles. I don't like sprinkles.
I love sprinkles. So
That's it.
I'm going to take sprinkles and pour him up sprinkles.
So let's open this, because we're going to be using this.
Yeah. I can't wait for the second. So we want to just try it tonight, right, Gabby?
Let's open this. Not yet, actually.
Blue line.
Okay. So, should we make candy bars? Let's make both. Now let's open this so we can get to the bag.
I'm gonna take up all these sprinkles. I need sprinkles. I promise you I don't. I just need sprinkles.
Okay, these smell so good. Now we're gonna fill these up. So, and then we're gonna microwave them with the help of a grown-up. Be safe, kids. Oh gosh. I kind of want to eat one. It smells so good.
Alright. Put a lot in there. And put a lot in mine.
Okay.
You both need a lot.
Okay, your turn.
Right.
Remember, we both washed our hands before this.
Yes.
You always want to wash your hands before cooking in the kitchen or cooking anywhere. Oh,
I need that.
uh-oh. Okay. Here you go. Can I eat one? Oh, yes. Gotta wait. Can I open these?
No.
Okay, we're going to put them in the microwave for 1 minute.
1 minute.
Wow, I think we're going to have to do another 1 minute. Instead of doing 1 minute, maybe we want to do 1 minute at a time. Okay, we're going to stir it up more. We might have to microwave it again. We don't know yet. But all I know is it smells amazing.
I'm gonna start mixing.
I kind of want to mash it first.
Boom, 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 boom. Can somebody help me? You know what? I'm just gonna do another. Check me.
I got red dye on my finger.
I need somebody to help me get this off, please.
Okay, so we have a microwave again. This is minute 4. So whoever wants sprinkles can have them.
But they're gonna add the first.
She's gonna try sprinkle to see if she likes it.
And these, I tried
sprinkles.
I tried melted, then I tried those without melted.
Here,
Well,
you can try 3. Try them. Are they good? Do you want it in your candy?
Good.
All right. All right. So, oops. Oh no. Oh, that's a disaster. Okay. Okay. So, make sure when you get the chocolate out of the microwave that you have a grown-up do it because it's gonna be very hot. So now we're putting the sprinkles in, or I am.
But I'm gonna put the sprinkles in. Mommy.
Let her put some in too, Gabby.
All right.
Mommy just put all
Let her put the ones in here.
Put just a little bit. Here, I'll give you some.
Put some on my hands.
Put one in here, one in here, and some in here.
Oh. Get that one.
No, this one.
Oh, yeah.
I hope. You don't want to put that on it because you don't want all sprinkles. Okay, now we're going to use our toothpicks to color it. I got pink, she's got blue.
Okay, Gabby, go ahead. You go first.
Oh, it's so hot.
I don't want to mix it. Can somebody?
Oh gosh.
Come on now. I don't need it.
Oh, it's so crumbly. Ugh. I think we put it in for too long.
Close. Close, everyone. Close. I need help. Oh, you're mixing it with that.
Mhm.
Can you hold it?
I think. Oh.
Let me say though.
Okay, so now we gotta put it in the bags. I think it's a little bit old.
Mine melted.
Or either it's old or we burned it.
Mine melted, so I tried to put more glue. It doesn't matter.
Her spoon melted. It totally melted. And so we're not gonna be eating any of her candy that she makes. We're just gonna eat mine. Maybe. But some of this is creamy. Not all of it. Just some of it, see? I'm gonna take out all the crusty ones. I don't know if we'll be eating this. It's disgusting.
Evan, promise me. I have never tried it, but I tried the Wriggles. They were protected good.
Okay, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna give it a try anyways. So
But if it works, then I'm gonna.
ew. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to squeeze.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it like.
It's not coming out. I'm literally
Squeeze it like snot.
squeezing. Ew.
JK means jet kitty. Kitty.
I don't know.
Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Yeah. Come on,
I wish
Bobby, let's go
it would have
party.
been kind of cooler so I could do this better, but it didn't say to cool it down, so.
Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Hey. Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Hey. I'm not saying party, I'm saying party. I think it's spelled Gyab.
She doesn't know how to spell yet, guys.
Well, anyways, tell you guys are this spelled MAG by
long time ago, guys, so that must be one of the things.
GBSDQR.
I think it's almost squeezing out of the bag.
B. CDKH.
Okay.
That's how you put one of your names. Seriously, guys, nothing can get better and better. Nothing. Promise. Nothing can get better and better. We can't eat all day. The Cheerios are gonna melt. And that's sad, right? It's sad we can't eat any of it.
Okay, we're gonna try it again, but with a napkin. I can hold it up here.
Coming out. I don't want to get my hair in any one of those. I'm just gonna start working. What is that? This is melted, but whatever.
Is that it? Is that all you got? I worked so hard on you. This is literally all it's doing.
Let me have a try.
I guess we're only gonna have like one chocolate.
Coming out. Coming out.
She's gonna try it now. I'll hold this for you. Here, put it right here.
Do you see it, everyone? Coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Now, like, the mold is right there. Okay, push. Hold on, let me see. Let me see how good you are doing. Oh, stop it. Stop it.
Gabby,
Are you okay? What happened?
you made me mess up. Can you eat the bottom?
Don't, like, touch the candy, because I've learned that's not a very good idea. Oh, put in, like, one of the sprinkle molds.
And a sprinkle one?
Mm-hmm. So obviously we're not gonna eat it. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Get out.
You're bad, you're bad, you're bad. Do you want me to help you, Mallory?
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Okay, Mallory. No, stop. Is it hot? I think it wasn't as hot. It would be much easier for us.
Can somebody help?
Yeah,
Yep.
I'll help.
Yeah, but you can do it.
Okay.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right, Gabby. Let me do some.
It's coming out the top.
It's bad.
Okay, it's not as hot anymore. Well, I'm gonna say it's a thumbs down.
Yeah, it's a thumb down.
Hold on. It's coming out actually. I really thought this was gonna work.
But is it not?
Wait, it's working, it's working.
Yeah.
Now, can you hold the top up here? Like,
No,
squeeze it
no,
right.
Gabby, it's my turn now, actually. Just thumb down.
Well, this is definitely a thumbs down. Well, I guess this is a part where you let it sit and then you eat it, but I guess you shouldn't buy this off clearance. I guess this is why it's on clearance, because it's just too old and the chocolate, as you see, it's too hard to work with. Well, when it cools, it's a little bit easier. So maybe you want to... Are you kidding? You just gotta let it cool and then it works fine. We should have waited.
But
See? Okay.
But can I have some one of those and then one of those? JK. Oh.
Okay, well, now it's working, but the instructions didn't say to let it cool. So, I don't know, we might not. So we're gonna let it cool. So, but like and subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and
Peace.
bye!
Don't let me what you're doing because it's really
Shout out to Sarah, Amanda Tyndall.